Imagine a faint whisper from the dawn of time, nearly 13.8 billion years ago, a cosmic echo that holds the secrets of our universe's very beginning, inviting us to explore its profound mysteries. This is the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, the oldest light we can observe, a direct remnant of the Big Bang that originated about 13.8 billion years ago. It was emitted approximately 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe had cooled enough, reaching around 3,000 Kelvin, for electrons and protons to combine and form neutral hydrogen atoms. This pivotal moment, known as the recombination epoch or the surface of last scattering, marked when the universe became transparent to radiation, allowing photons to stream freely through space. Today, due to the universe's vast expansion, the CMB appears as a faint microwave radiation glow, remarkably uniform across the entire sky, with a precise temperature of about 2.725 Kelvin. Its energy density is so immense, surpassing all starlight emitted throughout cosmic history, that without the universe's expansion and subsequent cooling, the night sky would blaze as bright as the sun's surface. The CMB's serendipitous discovery in 1965 by physicists Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson at Bell Labs was entirely accidental, yet it proved profoundly significant for cosmology. While testing a new horn-shaped radio antenna, they kept detecting a persistent, uniform noise signal from all directions that they couldn't explain away, even suspecting it might be due to pigeon droppings inside the equipment. This mysterious signal turned out to be the CMB, providing crucial, strong evidence for the Big Bang theory and confirming predictions of the universe's hot, dense initial state followed by rapid expansion. While the CMB is largely uniform everywhere, it exhibits minute temperature variations, known as anisotropies, on the tiny order of 1 part in 100,000, barely detectable without precise instruments. These tiny fluctuations are critical because they represent the initial density perturbations, the very seeds from which all cosmic structures, including galaxies, galaxy clusters, and vast filaments, eventually grew over billions of years. By meticulously studying these intricate patterns in the CMB, cosmologists can unravel the processes of structure formation and precisely measure fundamental parameters from the Big Bang era, like the universe's expansion rate. The variations in the CMB powerfully reveal the universe's detailed composition, including ordinary normal matter, mysterious dark matter that only interacts gravitationally, and enigmatic dark energy, driving accelerated expansion. Numerous ground-based observatories and pioneering space-based experiments have meticulously mapped the CMB over decades, delivering increasingly precise and detailed data for scientific analysis. The Cosmic Background Explorer, or COBE, launched by NASA in 1989, produced the first comprehensive full-sky CMB map, revolutionizing our view of the early universe. Then came the Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, or WMAP, launched in 2001, which offered far more detailed and sensitive observations of the CMB's subtle fluctuations across the sky. Remarkably, MAP's precise data indicated that the early universe comprised about 63% dark matter, 15% photons, 12% atoms or baryonic matter, and 10% neutrinos, shaping our models today. The Planck Space Telescope, operated by the European Space Agency from 2009 to 2013, delivered the highest precision CMB map to date, with unprecedented resolution and accuracy. Planck's findings firmly confirmed the existence of dark matter and dark energy, while also identifying intriguing large-scale anomalies, such as the enigmatic cold spot, that continue to puzzle scientists. Ultimately, the CMB serves as robust, irrefutable evidence for the Big Bang theory, standing as a cornerstone of modern cosmology and our understanding of cosmic origins. The Big Bang model posits an extremely hot, dense early universe that rapidly expanded and cooled over time, eventually allowing protons and electrons to form stable hydrogen atoms and release primordial light. The CMB is precisely the remnant of this primordial light from the recombination era. Its observed existence, blackbody temperature of 2.725 Kelvin, and stretched wavelength were accurately predicted by the Big Bang model. Current research continues to refine and deepen our understanding of the universe through advanced studies of the CMB, pushing the frontiers of cosmology. Today, scientists are intensely focusing on the polarization patterns of the CMB, which hold clues to primordial gravitational waves generated during the universe's brief inflationary phase right after the Big Bang. CMB lensing, caused by gravitational potentials in the cosmic web deflecting CMB photons along their path, enables precise mapping of matter distribution, including elusive dark matter halos. The Sunyaev-Zeldovich effect describes how CMB photons scatter off hot intracluster gas in galaxy clusters via inverse Compton scattering, providing unique insights into these massive structures' properties and distances. Despite extensive study with missions like Planck, mysteries persist in the CMB, such as unexplained warm and cold regions, including the prominent CMB cold spot that defies standard explanations. These intriguing anomalies, along with others like potential Hawking points, may hint at physics beyond the current standard cosmological model, challenging and expanding our knowledge of the cosmos. CMB research remains a dynamic and evolving field at the forefront of science, constantly advancing our profound knowledge of the universe's origin, grand evolution, and intricate composition. Join us in exploring these timeless cosmic echoes of the Big Bang, and continue to unravel the universe's deepest, most enduring secrets together.